Hello everyone. This video is tell you how to make the CANBUS setting according to your car. If your package included one paper and tell you need to make the CANBUS setting, then you can follow this video how to do this work. If do not this work, then maybe some original function cannot support to work correctly and cannot display on the Android screen. So this work will let your car recognize the Android unit at the first time use after installation. You only do this work by one time. Then for future, you no need to do anymore. Just one time at the first time installation. Okay. Now tell you how to do it. Firstly, you need to prepare your mobile phone. Need to connect the Android unit with the internet. So you can use Wi-Fi hotspots and connect internet. Okay. Now I use my phone and find the personal hotspot and open it. Okay. Now we use setting, open Wi-Fi network, and found this is my phone. Okay, it's display connected. Okay, now the unit is connecting internet. It's connecting your internet already. Now we can do the second step. Go back to the setting and find the factory and input password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Confirm. Press confirm. Find select models. Put here. Okay, this is just for example how to do it for my car. So this CANBUS setting is only for my car. Please note, you must following the pictures in the instruction. What's your car's CANBUS setting? And do not make wrong CANBUS setting, otherwise some issue will happen. Okay, now I configure my car. Press CANBUS box here. My car is simple software. And my VW. And my car is VWOBD and public. Okay. So network update person APK successfully. Okay, you just input one by one, 4 steps. Now press OK. Soon to enter the update mode. Please do not power off. It is very important. Press OK. Install protocol related APK. Okay. Unit is updating the MCU from internet directly. So you must connect your Android unit with Wi-Fi all time. Do not cut off. Okay, Android unit now is rebooting. Okay, now I try. Okay, car alert display, and install one new APK car setting, and can display some dashboard computer information like remain oil, outdoor temperature. So different cars display different information. Just for your reference. So So that's all. This work finished. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. If the screen appears these red words after CANBUS setting, then you just use a pinhead to press here. Reset. Okay. Then this problem will be resolved. Then this problem will be resolved.